guys, welcome back to the channel. We're jumping right back into it today. It's gonna be another busy day just finishing up all these little odds and ends. So I'm just getting into all the dishwasher panels and the peninsula panel here. Gonna be fitting that as well. So that will wrap up all of the lowers and then we will be jumping right back into the upper cabinets. I hope you guys enjoy this video. The end part is super cool and you're not gonna wanna miss that. The grand finale, you get to see everything all completely done in this kitchen. So cool. And there's timestamps below, so if you want to hop forward in the video to see different parts, you can do that, save yourself time. If you don't want to see some things or you want to see some of just the final things, that's totally up to you. And one last thing, guys, I will be dropping the link below for the first video of this custom kitchen install. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy. Mash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We need your support to help this channel keep growing, and share this video to somebody that may enjoy this style of video. We love your support, and don't forget to comment as well. And I want to say a special shout out to Christine as well. She's my editor and my soulmate, and she's doing an amazing job on editing these videos and putting them all together. I totally love it, and she's just doing a super amazing job. So if you think she's doing a super job, don't forget to like this video. Thanks, guys.
Talk nice to me, I'm in your head, I invest. That's a short-term fee, got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap, step you up,
Big bag, I'm in it, I get it, I got it. Going north, not south, cause I rise when I rap. Bars on flex, let me show you what I'm about. Young black boy from the Ville, I get my city clout. You know singing and rapping, tell your bro I show you passion. As a young and they was laughing, now they in the street. Bumping my tunes and singing my songs to me. I'm anything and everything your girl wants you to be. Pulling up from three, pulling up and talking shit, they love it when I speak. Baddie to the left of me, she kissing on my cheek. All up on my way, they wanna catch me at the beach. Like, ooh, soaking up the heat. Melanin all on my body, black up every sweet. Once I'm up, the homies up, cause everybody eat. Popping like it's double bubble, you gon' really see.
You better talk nice to me, I'm in your head, I invest. That's a short-term fee, got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap, dap you up, then I leave, yeah.
I get it for all of my city, I'm flowing, I'm spitting. I know you be feeling, I ain't never chillin'. It's nothing, I'm feeling myself when I rapping, it's nothing to me. Do what I gotta be rapping a lot, I be calling the shots to be saying I'm how to be dropping these bars. I do it off top, if you like it and buy it, ain't nothing for free. Ooh yeah, I see you all up in my section. Thank you to the haters, hope you ain't got no depression. They gon' see me winning, hella angry, they be texting. I still got some love for you, why you be hating me? Mobbing in the street, Lamborghini energy while whipping something cheap. Club York, I on the beat. Really, I'm just getting started, baby, you gon' have to see. Fashion hella chic, looking like I just came out of New York Fashion Week. Who gon' rock with me? KABWS, man, you gon' really see.
You better talk nice to me, I'm in your head, I invest. That's a short-term fee, got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap, dap you up, then I leave, yeah. You better talk nice to me, I'm in your head, I invest. That's a short-term fee, got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap, dap you up, then I leave, yeah.
Check. I'm tryna bring it to fruition. Why these dudes be steady wishing? I be steady in the kitchen, I be cooking, I be chefing, I be flowing, I be spitting, and this shit is impossible. Probably why it is the mission. I be dripping with the sauce, let me vent. I've been different from the jump. I've been saying, boy, give me a mic so I can live. Give me a chance so I can breathe. What you need? I need a whole lot of shit before I can say I made it. Whole lot of love from the homies so they play it. Whole lot of chin checks tryna beat me down. Seem like life got the muscle, but check out the crown. They take a shit ton of hope to see the top from the bottle. Shout out to the hometown, I swear I always got them. Spit it for the love, real ones, I can spot them. If you really rockin' with me, then I love you. I'm a mama, I'm a rapper. Out of Watsonville, who would've thought? They try to keep us in the dirt and now they paying the cost. And I'ma spit it for my people till we up at the top. I'm talking every drop, it never stop. You gotta love it, cause it's me. Whole lot of love, always what it's gonna be. You gotta love it, cause it's me. Whole lot of love, yeah.
Alright guys, so we're getting close to being done here. So we got all the uppers in, all the panels put in, we got this big pantry put in. Now, I'm getting dizzy from spinning around here. Woo! We got the fridge cabinet. So I got everything prepped. I got the one panel here put in, ready to go. Basically put in the spot that it needs to be. It's fixed to the cabinet beside it and to the lower one below it here. Now, we have to get this cabinet up here. So that's my block, because a spacer block, so I can basically screw that into the back of the cabinet, and that's what's going to hold it in place, because these panels are deeper than what the box is, so that's what I've had to do here. So I'm going to show you how I put this fridge upper in by myself. All right guys, enjoy. So guys, that is a wrap on day 2 of this install, and you can see that I did get this fridge upper all by myself. Do a little bit of, can't see him anymore right now. Got the gun show going here. So yeah, fridge cabinet's up, panels are up. We got our small upper. The only cabinet we got to do yet is the range hood cabinet. That's going to be a simple one we're going to do tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. We got our corner cabinets put in. We got another upper cabinet, and we got our big pantry, wine storage area all put in. Now these cabinets, again, that's about, let's say it's about 10 feet of cabinets right there. So it doesn't look maybe very big in the picture or in the video, but it's a lot of cabinets. That one took more time than all the uppers did today, but I'm really happy where I'm at. I think I'll be able to finish off tomorrow. I'll be putting all the crown and crown riser on, light balance, and the handles. After that, actually templating will be happening tomorrow as well, so you're not going to want to miss this one. This kitchen is absolutely going to be stunning. I know it kind of looks a little rough now with the rough walls, but we're gonna have granite going right to the ceiling everywhere. It's gonna look really super modern and cool. So on that note guys, that's a wrap for today. It's time to go home and eat. We'll see you tomorrow. Night guys. Good morning everyone, Donnie here. So we are on day 3 of this custom kitchen install, and we got all the toe kick on. We have everything in place that needs to be on the lowers and the uppers. Now all we have to do is put the crown on and the crown build up. And then the last thing that I need to do here is handles. So I'm going to be putting that on, and then also today templating is happening. So they're going to be templating for the countertops, the backsplash, and the range hood behind me. So I do have the range hood up now. That whole thing is going to be wrapped with stone. Not sure exactly how they're going to do it because I haven't done one before. So basically build the box, the shell for it, and then the mechanism will go up inside here for the blower to collect the air when you're cooking. So that's all done, and yeah, I gotta get flying. So there's lots to do yet today. We're about mid-morning, and it's actually snowing out today. It's almost June, and we actually got snow this morning, which kind of sucks. That's why I'm wearing my sweater. It was like people were wearing their shorts yesterday, and today we're wearing like sweaters and pants and all dressed up for winter. So I hope it's warmer wherever you are, and because I'm kind of sick of the cold and I'm excited for summer. So it's enough of me whining and complaining about the weather. On that note, again, we've got lots to do. We're gonna start trimming everything out. Oh yeah, we have the light valance to do. So yeah, we'll be doing that, and then I'll take a walk around and you can see how everything's looking. All right guys, enjoy.
Get me on your good side, baby, what's your angle? Know it's just a good time, tell me what's your table. Numbers on the net again, you'll be going lap them. In the set, one set, high tap dance, spin about the bands. Backstage, meet the band. Press pass, head on my chest, I never messin', I'm never messy. But I still mess up. Kiss your neck, leave your drawers on the dresser. Booty pics ass thick like an album. Saying how come, what's the outcome? Tied down and we tired. Backlog, all the hits, my entire body you working. Hot in my shirt, you swimming. We grinning, never had a thing for weak women. Fuck. Get me on your good side, baby, what's your angle? Know it's just a good time, tell me what's your table. Numbers on the net again, you'll be going lap them. In the set, one set, high tap dance, spin about the bands. Backstage, meet the band. Press pass, head on my chest, I never messin', I'm never messy. Need another minute what I fall into. Room still spinning with my eyes on you. Need another minute what I fall into. Think it's you, yeah. And I've been losing sleep when I lay with you. Room still spinning with my eyes on you. I just need a minute, goddamn. I just need a minute, God. Gave me a chance to say, look. Cards on the table and I know when I'm up, full house. Sleeping on the couch, can you cut? Reassess, you don't wanna love me best. Game said match, I don't need a patch. Been an empath, share a bottle and we laugh. Crack up, crack it open. Leave me dumbfounded, soft spoken. But you know this. Good side, baby, what's your angle? Know it's just a good time, tell me what's your table. 3, 4. Get me on your good side, baby, what's your angle? Know it's just a good time, tell me what's your table. Numbers on the net again, you'll be going lap them. In the set, one set, high tap dance, spin about the bands. Backstage, meet the band. Press pass, head on my chest, I never messin', I'm never messy.
We come around right to the block and we start feeling ourselves. And shawty tricking me and she know she feeling herself. I got my hands up on the wheel, you know I'm praying to God. I think that she can't really see that I don't do this for you. Gotta do it cause you know that's all that I got. I push a limit and you know I drive at the top. And she made me go around like it's the end of the world. I tell her lies, I know I never fall. You know I won't accept it. Came right to that block and I started feeling myself. And she thinks she got it good, but she been screaming from hell. And she think that she a witch, but she ain't casting a spell. I know it's hard as it tells. We come around right to the block and we start feeling ourselves. And shawty tricking me and she know she feeling herself. I got my hands up on the wheel, you know I'm praying to God. I think that she can't really see that I don't do this for you. Gotta do it cause you know that's all that I got. I push a limit and you know I drive at the top. And she made me go around like it's the end of the world.
It's a long day, guys. So we got everything all ready for countertops, granite, backsplash. The box is gone. You can see now behind me. Countertop people took that back to get wrapped in granite. They polished all the corners, so that's gone. They'll bring that on an install day, which you're not going to want to miss. I don't know how they're going to do this, but they're going granite, going all the way across here, down the side of the windows. It's going to be pretty cool. So I'm super excited. I think this kitchen looks amazing. Super modern with all the gold handles. We have the pantry area. That's a wrap, baby. There's a lot of work to do today. A lot later. It's 6 o'clock on a Friday night. I still got an hour drive home, and plus I still got to drop something off at somebody else's place. So I'll probably be home around 7:30 tonight. Welcome to owning your own business. Love it. Wouldn't change a thing. But I hope you enjoyed this, guys. And I will be showing you guys all the granite waterfall as well. So we're hoping, cross your fingers, everything goes good on that, because I mean there's a lot of measurements and they're pretty critical. So yeah, it'll be a full day. I figure just getting all the granite in here. So hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, take a look. Stunning little kitchen. Once everything's in, it's gonna be amazing. And again, she's so excited. She's got these all put in. Boom. Open these fully up. Soft closing. Yeah, buddy. Wine fridge is in. Stove is in. Fridge is in. See you guys.
Open your eyes, breathe in, it's time to have some meaning in your life. It's a long road, at first it's slow, but soon enough you'll have that shows. We're gonna rock this place till the stage begins to shake. Jump, shout, scream, I don't care. At this point it might as well break. We want fame, but first you need to learn your name. It's coming fast, so don't look back. Enjoy the ride and just relax.
Fun to see the final end result, and I'm blown away how this one turned out. So we had the range hood put in today, wrapped with quartz, and we have backsplash all around, all the way to the ceiling. All the veins are matched, and we even have our little wine area. So that's a wrap on this kitchen. I'm gonna turn this around, give you a real show you the waterfall countertop, and then that's it. That's it for this job. All wrapped up. I'm super happy how it turned out. Super modern. We have beautiful modern shaker doors. That's a 1-inch rail. We have our flush light valance wrapped in gray paint. And everything is just looking stunning. So here's your waterfall countertop. It goes right into the backsplash. Check that vein. Veining just goes right up and matches, comes down with the other ones, all the way across, into that one. Boom. Everything's perfect. Got a range hood up, all the cabinets, We got quartz all the way to the ceiling. Cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Check this pantry out. Is that not amazing? Like, think of all the storage that you can put in there. 40 inches of storage. Check these drawers out, guys. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at that storage. Unbelievable. Tons and tons of storage. And soft closing. Boom. Soft closing. Soft closing. So nice. Got a backsplash up here. A little beverage fridge underneath. Quartz up top. Another big pantry. Tons and tons of storage. For a little kitchen, we put a lot of storage in here. Well, hope you guys like that. Hope you like that little tour. I think it turned out phenomenal. Love it. Alright guys, so that is a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this kitchen come together and all the cool little transformations. And I hope you liked watching some of the quartz getting installed, because it's kind of cool. I've never done a range hood like this. So it's a box wrapped with quartz, and I think they did a phenomenal job. We screwed it onto the wall. It's fixed there. It's staying there. So let me know what you guys think of this video. I hope you enjoy it. And if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any other videos coming out, because we have a lot coming out. Every single week we're dropping a video, and I love when people subscribe, comment, and like our videos, and we love to comment back and to meet everyone. And it's always nice to get feedback back from you guys on what you want to see more of, or all the different things that you'd like to see or wouldn't like to see. And on that note, guys, that's a wrap, baby. It is quartz.
Addicted to the taste of you. Your lips, no, there's nothing sweet.
A real small town. I guess it all depends on where you live. But it's a beautiful, beautiful little town.
Medium dry.
Sorry.
Then turn left.